Good morning, students. Today I am going to take lesson 1. The topic is concept of macroeconomics. Important concept of macroeconomics are stocks and flow variables. First, stocks. Stocks measured a quantity of goods or commodity at a point of time. Flow variables are measured over a period of time. Examples of stock variables: money supply, unemployment level, foreign exchange reserves, and capital. Examples of flow variables: national income, imports, exports, consumption, production, and investments. Economic models. This is one of the 2 mark question. A model is a simplified representation of a real situation. Economic models reflects of real situation of the economics. Economists also use these models to describe the economic activities, relationship, and their behavior included in the economic models. Next topic, circular flow of income. This is one of the 2 mark questions. This is a model of an economy explaining the connection between different sectors of an economy. This economy shows flows of income, goods and services, and factor of productions. What are the factor of production? Land, labor, capital, and organizations. Connection in between the economic agents of such as farms, households, government, and nations. This flow of analysis basis on national accounts and macroeconomics. There are 3 models of circular flow of income: 2 sector model, 3 sector model, 4 sector model. 2 sector model is a simple economy with the household sector and the firm sector. 3 sector model is a mixed and closed economy with household sector, firm sector, and government sector. 4 sector model is an open economy with household sector, firm sector, government sector, and rest of the world or external sector. We will learn about these 3 topics briefly. Circular flow of income in a 2 sector economy. This is one of the 3 mark questions. There are only 2 sector, namely household sector, firm sector. Household sector. This sector alone sold buyer of goods and services. This sector alone sold supplier of factor of production. The factor of production is land, labor, capital, and organizations. These 2 activities going on only one sector, that is the household sector. Next, firm sector. This sector selling goods and services to the household. Firm sector, after the selling goods, earning revenue from the household sector. Factor of production belongs to household sector. Firm sector sells entire output to household sector. This flowchart illustrates 2 sector economy. In a 2 sector economy, production and sales are equal, and there will be circular flow of income and goods also equal. The outer circle represents real flow, inner circle represents monetary flow. Household sector, supplier of the factor of production to the firms. After finishing the productions, household sector alone buyer of the goods and services. Household sector receiving the wages, rent, dividends or shares from the firms. After selling the goods and services, earning revenue from the household sector, that is consumer expenditure. The basic identities of the 2 sector economy. Therefore, Y is equal to C plus I. Y is income, C is consumption, I is investment. Second model of economy, circular flow of income in 3 sector economy. In addition, households and firms, it includes of government sector, make three sector model. Government levied taxes on household and firms. Then firms. Government purchase goods and services from firms, receive household from factor of productions, that is land, labor, capital and organizations. Government also gives such as social transfer like pension, relief and subsidies to the household sector. Similarly, government pay the money for purchase goods and services from firm. Therefore, the symbol of three sector economy Y is equal to C plus I plus G. That is Y is income, C is consumption, I is investment, G is government. Third model of an economy, circular flow of income in a four sector economy. This model composed four sector. The four sector namely household sector, firm sector, government sector and external sector, that is rest of the world, import and export. External sector comprises import and export. In real life alone exist on the four sector economy. External sectors in four sector economy, expenditure of entire economy included in the domestic circular flow of income made up of households, government and firms. Therefore, the symbol of this economy Y is equal to C plus I plus G x minus M. Y is an income, C is an consumption, I is an investment, G is government. Then export and import. These are all the three sector economy. Thank you.